That's cool. Never been in a prison cell in a fort before.
Hey, can you hear me wherever you are? I'm praying to angels and wishing on stars. We'll find each other no matter how far, 'cause 5,000 miles is breaking my
Now you know we're in Florida. The Keys coconuts. Today we're walking to one of the closest beach to the cruise port, Fort Zachary State Park. Right here it is. I'm going to give you a complete tour of this place today, because if you just want to relax in Key West, this might be what you want to do. Welcome to the beach. This might be my new favorite thing in Key West. I know the next time I come on a cruise ship, this is how I'm doing it. I'm bringing all my friends to show them this. And the walk from the cruise ship, like I said, is just beautiful. Look at these homes. We're passing through, I think it's called Truman's Annex, a very historical part of Key West. Beautiful houses along here. I think it's 1.1 miles, basically a 20-minute walk. I'm doing it today. It's not as far as you think. And I'm walking through the woods right now on this little trail. And make sure you watch all our Key West videos. We've got many here. And our Duval Street tour. And specifically, our top 15 things to do in Key West. You'll see a lot of walkers. Follow the walkers. If they're going to the beach, this is where they're going. I don't know what this is. You'll follow past this if you're walking here. And it's free admission. I'm just going to walk in, explore, learn, and discover. This might be a cool stop on a rainy day too. Oh man, this is probably worth the price of admission. Look at this. This is really, really nice. And it's AC. Maybe you stop halfway to the beach and walk in here. Very educational. Oh, this is neat. Interactive maps on the floor. Shows you some of the shipwrecks. That's the section we're in. Oh my God, I think I gotta put this as a bonus tip. Number one, because it's free, and there's so much to see and do inside. Noah's Undersea Lab. Let's walk in there. Oh wow, all kinds of interactive stuff. Protect the reefs. They even got a Discovery Theater in here. All right, that was a pleasant surprise. I tell you one thing, you gotta come here, and being that it's free, that's crazy. And it's on the walk to Zachary. Let's just get to the beach. All right, this walk back to the beach has more surprises. Playground splash pad. All right, this is cool. A splash pad, kids and adults, and it's free. Oh my God, look here coming. You guys going to the water park? Huh? I don't know if they let you in there. If you pass the Coffee Butler Amphitheater, you know you're almost there. It's only right up this way. Now, here's the entrance to the park. You gotta pay, if you're walking like I am today, $2.50. If you're bringing a carload, it's only $6. Welcome to Fort Zachary Taylor History State Park. If you're taking an Uber over, they'll drop you off usually right before the gate. All right, we just walked here from the cruise ship. We're finally getting to the beach area. Now, one thing you can do on this beach, you can ride here to Fort Zachary, rent a bike and come over to this. There's the water. I had a couple interruptions here. I'm trying to show you the whole place. I love what this state park is doing, trying to revitalize the reef. Gardens of the Deep. Here's a little bit of history about what you might see out here. Look at this beach. We just arrived at Fort Zachary Beach. Key West is not known for their beaches, but this one is apparently highly rated because it's great for snorkeling. And beware, no lifeguard on duty here. Since there's no lifeguard, they post this beach warning with the color flag. High hazard today. It's very rough out there. I love these signs. There we are, Key West, New Orleans, Nassau. It shows you everywhere you can go and how far. There's Nassau, 281 miles. I've been there many times. Watch all my videos there. Finally, we made it to the water. I gotta get in this. I got to get in this. You get hot on the beach, come out back here and get a picnic table. Let's just take a stroll down this beach. You can rent umbrellas here if you're coming in on a cruise ship. What a way to spend the day. Do you see the snorkelers out here? That's what this is famous for. It's early right now. This place will be packed before too long. Like I said, this place is famous for their snorkeling. Probably the best snorkeling on the beach in Key West. You can see the price of the umbrellas, $39, and that comes with 2 chairs. Bring a lunch if you're coming at lunchtime, breakfast or dinner. They got picnic tables here along this water. Oh, and they got grills too. Great little picnic area here, but something's got my attention over here. I'm not sure what these are. If you know, comment below. They're beautiful little birds. Oh, and they got showers here to rinse off before you get back to the cruise ship. Beware, there is no lifeguard on duty at this beach. It's a state park. Look at that view. Now, another thing I want to tell you here about this beach, from reading some reviews, I'm not snorkeling today, I've done it many times, but it's a rocky bottom. You definitely would want to wear water shoes because it can be rocky out there in some spots. There's looking back at the beach, but look up here. You see all the seaweeds collecting in this one little area. I know you just got off the cruise ship, and you got all kinds of pictures taken on there, but there's also many photo opportunities at this beach, like this one. Look at this tree. It's beautiful. And kids, I've warned you about this in Miami. Don't do this. This is dangerous to climb out here on these rocks. I know it's a photo op, but just don't do it. You just don't get tired of the views. Walk around this place, but because there's another thing you can do here while at Fort Zachary. You can go through the fort, which is what we're gonna do next. Now, also, if you're a hiker or like to hike and bike, there's a couple of trails through this park for sure. They go along the coast, some of them. All right, beside the food, where you eat your lunch, I'm telling you, it might be the best view of this beach. If you want to get out of the sun or the shade, come up here and sit with these chairs with a view. Bonus, besides going to the beach on a cruise ship, make sure you're coming to the fort because this is fantastic. And it's cool up here. Welcome to Fort Taylor. Constructed in 1845, Zachary Taylor was the 12th president. All right, when you find the cannon, you found the fort. But look what they got. They got look at all these trails they got here. If you're a hiker, this might be a place to come. I had a blacksmith shop back here. I wonder what that is. Ooh, this is probably how they built this fort. Back in the blacksmith, banging iron out. Imagine how thick these walls are when they built this. A lot of work, man. All right, this is definitely a bonus. And I know one thing, this place is gonna be haunted. I think I've seen it on one of them ghost shows. What a view all the way at the top. That's the ocean side. Nobody getting into this fort. Lots of history. I'm not sure what this is. That's why I guess you take a guided tour, but look at these big rings. They must have been used to hold something down. Jeez, that is heavy. Oh, look at this. This is where they kept a lot of the ammunition, I'm guessing. There's some cannonballs in here and some shells. Now, one thing that's kind of cool is they got this all open here where you can look in the windows and see some of the remnants, I guess. There's a cannon in this one. This here looks like it might have been a church where they have services here or something. That's a pulpit. I tell you, this fort is pretty cool. This looks like a cell, a prison cell you can walk in. That's cool. Never been in a prison cell in a fort before. The size of that door. All kinds of inscriptions on there. I wonder if it's the inmates. I bet I know what that is. It's not what you think it is. It's not wine. It's probably gunpowder. All right, look over here. These look like they're guns or cannons, artillery. That's a big gun. I can't even imagine this. There's one gun that's back. Here's one that I guess they move up and shoot through this hole. Crazy. I tell you, this was definitely worth the $2.50 price of admission. Definitely a lot to see in here. I can't imagine living back in these days because you worked hard to fight for this country. You may think these are prison cells here along here, but this is where the ammunition was stored, locked until ready to be used. All right, that might be enough of the water. It's time to get back to the cruise ship. I hope you enjoyed this video. Fort Zachary State Park, best beach in Key West. It's not Bermuda, but it's nice. Have a great day. Until next time, make sure you're liking and subscribing.